In this video, I will talk about image optimization. If you upload many images to your blog, this takes up lots of space, and there are several techniques to make images smaller but still look great. I've shown you before that sometimes images get uploaded in the wrong size because you have thumbnails, you have featured images, you have an image library, maybe you have a gallery, and there are several plugins that can help with this. And one I especially like is a plugin called Clean Up Images. I will show you. It is a free plugin, and this is how the interface looks. All this does is it will scan for unused images you already uploaded to WordPress, and when you hit the button, it will load and show you a list. Now you have a list of all unused images, and you can select all unused parent images or select all unused child images or both. And when you click delete select, the plugin will remove all those images. This is very helpful because if you use any related post plugin, it will make the thumbnails look much better because only the ones with the right sizes are left. This is also tested with Yarp, which is the plugin I use on this blog, but it also helps you to get a faster site load time because you have less images, and I would recommend to run this every time you publish a new page or post with some extra images. So this would be tip number 1 for image optimization on your blog. Tip number 2 would be to upload only images in the size you need. So for example, if your featured image is 800 pixels wide, don't upload an image that is 2000 pixels wide. You can use a website called webresizer.com. You can find all the URLs in the resource document, and we will just test it with an example image I prepared. This image is 409 kilobytes big, and it has 2048 pixels and 1365 pixels. So this is huge. We will upload the image. Let's have a look where it is. There you go. Open it and upload. And this is a free website, so nothing to pay here. As you can see, it reduced the size to 400 pixels and it's 96% smaller. You can specify anything you like in this field. Just apply changes. Now you will get a new result, and it's still 90% smaller. Now download the image and you're good to go. I usually use this website to resize my images, and in addition to this, I use the Kraken Image Optimizer, reachable from kraken.io, and you want to try the free web interface. Now you upload the optimized image you got from the web resizer. This is this one. And now you can just click on this download file, right click, save the image, and it will be even smaller than before. And now you can have a look at the optimized image. It's only 800 pixels wide and it has 40 kilobytes left out of 409. So this is a huge improvement, and I recommend to do these steps for each and every image you upload to your website. Tip number 3 would be to optimize your images for SEO. And you can do this just by giving it an interesting keyword title and then upload the keyworded file to your WordPress. You can find it in the media library. This is an example image I uploaded, and you can see I gave it a title Start Blog. The file was already named Start Blog PNG, and the alt text also is Start a Blog. Now you can even give it a description if you like to, and this could help to identify the picture further. Google is able to index images, and you can even have an image sitemap. The Yoast plugin will generate this for you, and you can submit it to Google Webmaster Tools. And I would highly recommend to at least set the title and alt text for each image. There are some plugins that do this automatically for you. You can use them if you have a blog featuring lots of images. I prefer to do it on my own manually, because this way I can make sure all text is correct written. Now, the last thing I would recommend to do at least sometimes is to add a capture to your image. Let's just take this example. Of course, this is a featured image, so you shouldn't do it with your featured image, but I just want to show you how it works. You can add a caption, and this can lead to additional SEO benefits, although I would not recommend to do this with every image, but maybe once in a while you want to do this. So let's say our keyword is income report. Just update the picture, and you can already see it here in the editor. And if you preview the changes, you can see this is what happens. It has a little title underneath the image, and this also can help with search engine optimization. That's it for images, and this should be a huge focus for you, and I recommend to try the tips out. And if you have any questions, just let me know.